The wind whispers through the trees, a constant reminder of nature's power. It carries seeds, spreading life across the land. We feel it on our skin, a gentle caress or a powerful force. Wind is essential for our survival. It allows us to breathe, filling our lungs with the very essence of life. From gentle breezes to mighty storms, wind shapes our world. It can be a source of energy, powering our homes and cities. Wind connects us all. It travels the globe, carrying scents and sounds, reminding us that we are part of a larger ecosystem. We must respect its power and appreciate its gifts. Wind connects us to something bigger than ourselves. It is a force of creation and destruction, a reminder of the constant cycle of life. As we feel the wind on our faces, let us be reminded of its importance and strive to live in harmony with nature. Water, the elixir of life, flows through our world. It sustains all living things, from the smallest insect to the largest whale. We depend on water for our survival. It quenches our thirst, nourishes our bodies, and cleanses our souls. We see its beauty in the crashing waves of the ocean and the stillness of a mountain lake. Water has the power to heal and to destroy. It can carve canyons and floodplains, shaping the very landscape we inhabit. We must treat it with respect. Water connects us to our past and our future. It is a precious resource that we must conserve for generations to come. As we drink a cool glass of water, let us be thankful for its life-giving properties. Sand, a symbol of time, stretches across deserts and beaches. Each grain is a tiny story, shaped by wind and water over centuries. Sand reminds us of the vastness of time and the impermanence of our own existence. We use sand to build castles, only to watch them crumble away with the tide. It is a reminder that everything is temporary. Our actions, like footprints in the sand, leave their mark on the world. We must choose our paths carefully. Sand whispers tales of ancient civilizations, buried and forgotten. It reminds us that our time on Earth is precious. Let us strive to leave a positive mark on the world, one that will endure long after we are gone. Section 4. Interconnectedness, the elements and our deeds. The wind, the water, and the sand are interconnected, just as all living things are connected. They are witnesses to our actions, recording our every deed. Our thoughts and intentions resonate throughout the natural world. When we act with kindness and compassion, we create ripples of positivity that spread outwards. The elements bear witness to our good deeds, amplifying their impact. Our positive actions contribute to a more harmonious and balanced world. Conversely, negative actions create discord and imbalance. The elements record these deeds as well, and their effects can be felt throughout the natural world. Anger, greed, and hatred poison the environment, harming both ourselves and others. Section 5. Respect and responsibility, living in harmony with nature. We have a responsibility to live in harmony with the elements and to treat the natural world with respect. Our actions have consequences, not only for ourselves but for all living things. We must be mindful of our impact on the environment. By reducing our consumption, conserving resources, and living sustainably, we can begin to heal the planet. Small changes in our daily lives can make a big difference. Let us be responsible stewards of the earth. We must teach future generations the importance of respecting nature. By instilling in them a love for the wind, the water, and the sand, we can ensure a brighter future for all. Let us work together to create a world where humanity and nature thrive in harmony. Section 6. A legacy in the grains towards a meaningful existence. Our time on Earth is fleeting, like footprints in the sand, but the impact of our actions can ripple through time. Every act of kindness, every effort to protect the environment, leaves a positive mark on the world. By living in harmony with nature, we create a legacy that extends beyond our own lives. We become part of something larger than ourselves, connected to the web of life that sustains us all. Let us strive to live lives filled with purpose and meaning. Let us be guided by compassion, respect, and a deep reverence for the natural world. And when our time comes, let us leave behind a world that is a little bit better than we found it.